So you have learned about pip and creating virtual environments. As you have noticed, using these tools requires memorizing various commands and arguments. There is a lot to remember. That's where pipenv comes in the picture. Pipenv is a tool that combines pip and virtual environments into a single toolchain. So we don't have to use pip or virtual environments separately. If you're familiar with npm or Node Package Manager, pipenv is the equivalent tool in the Python world. So it's a dependency manager for Python projects. Now, you might be curious why I didn't start this section with pipenv. Because as I told you, pipenv internally uses pip and virtual environments, so you need to understand how exactly it works under the hood. Also, as you look at various websites, you will come across pip or virtual environments, so I wanted to make sure that these tools are not foreign to you. Now let me show you how to use pipenv. Here on the terminal, first we need to install it. So pip install pipenv. All right, now back to VS Code. I'm going to delete this env directory because we don't need it anymore. We're going to use pipenv to automatically create a virtual directory. So delete. Good. Now back to the terminal. Instead of using pip to install a package, we use pipenv. So pipenv install requests. Now a few things happen here. This tool created a couple of files, pipfile and pipfile.log. We'll look at this later. It also created a virtual environment for us and installed this requests package inside of that virtual environment. But that virtual environment is not here. Where is it? Let me show you. So here on the terminal, let's run pipenv --venv. This is the path to our virtual environment directory. As you can tell, this directory is not part of our project, and this is a deliberate decision. Because as we install various packages, we'll end up with hundreds or even thousands of files in this virtual environment, and this will increase the size of our project. So we want to exclude this virtual environment from our project directory. Now, I'm going to uninstall the request package that we installed globally using pip. So pip uninstall requests. Let's proceed. Good. So we installed a dependency using pipenv. Now let's run our application. But for this demo, I'm not going to use code runner. You will see why in a second. So let's run python app.py. We got a module not found error. No module named requests, because we removed the requests package from the list of global packages. And here, Python doesn't know where to locate this package. It has no knowledge of this new virtual environment. So we need to activate it. Once again, we use the same tool, that is pipenv, and as the first argument, we pass shell. So as you can see, this activated the virtual environment for this project. Now let's run our program one more time. We got a response, beautiful. So Python could successfully locate the requests package. So here we're currently in the virtual environment for this project. If you want to deactivate it, simply type exit. Now we're outside of the virtual environment.